Sun in Taurus in the second house. The cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the second house, you are working with an incredibly potent cosmic alignment. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of value, and the second house rules money, resources, and personal worth. Because Taurus is naturally at home in the second house, your life purpose is amplified. You aren't here to live week to week or chase temporary wealth. You are here to master the material world, build an unshakable financial foundation, and create a legacy of security and comfort that can stand the test of time. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your instinctual financial intelligence and patience. Because the second house governs what you own, your Taurus drive gives you a natural radar for quality, longevity, and smart investments. You possess a rare, steady determination that allows you to work toward your financial goals without getting distracted by get-rich-quick schemes. You know the value of a dollar, but more importantly, you know your own value. You are highly resourceful, excellent at managing physical, tangible goods, and you have an innate talent for turning small, steady efforts into massive material success. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But an intense focus on the material world can easily turn into a heavy trap. Your biggest challenge is linking your entire human self-worth directly to your bank account or possessions. If your finances dip, your confidence might crash with them. This intense need for safety can manifest as extreme possessiveness, greed, or hoarding material things and relationships out of an underlying fear of scarcity. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that true abundance is an internal state, not a digital balance. You must learn to hold on to your wealth loosely enough to enjoy it, rather than letting your possessions own you. Ultimately, you are here to show the world how to manifest real security through patience and self-worth. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the second house. See you in the next breakdown.